What I wish I knew before planning my next adventure? The Wanderlust Reader Travel Awards have spoken. The votes are in. Over 3 million votes from 168,000 travel enthusiasts have crowned the world's most desirable countries of 2024. Drumroll please. Gold Award for the most desirable country in the world goes to Australia. For the third time in 4 years, Australia's rich Indigenous culture and jaw-dropping landscapes have wowed travelers. From Sydney's vibrant city life to the ancient wonders of the Northern Territory, there's no shortage of adventure. And don't miss out on Ningaloo Reef's marine life or the wild beauty of Kangaroo Island in Tasmania. Silver goes to Canada with its stunning natural vistas and warm hospitality, while Japan takes the bronze with its blend of tradition and futuristic vibes. Rounding out the top 10 are the USA, New Zealand, Costa Rica, South Africa, Brazil, South Korea, and Peru. Thanks for watching. Join our community of explorers and get inspired for your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new travel tips, guides, and hidden gems. Safe travels, and see you on the next journey.